This is NOAA weather radio station KZZ84, Aitken, operating on a frequency of 162.450 MHz, to serve the residents of central and northeast Minnesota. This program originates from the National Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Mille Lacs County in east-central Minnesota, western Isanti County in east-central Minnesota, Benton County in central Minnesota, northeastern Sherburne County in central Minnesota, southeastern Morrison County in central Minnesota until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time.